Hi, we're Andy and Shell, turning our wanderlust into reality. On our channel, we share real travel and cruising experiences to help you explore the world with confidence. So if you're over 50 years of age, like us, why not come along and follow our adventure?
Rightio, it's time to have a look at cabin R714 Riviera deck on the Crown Princess. We walk in and let's check out the bathroom first. Standard bathroom, as with others on our tours, you can see that we have the hand wash, body lotion, body wash, and also mixed 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo. A clothesline, really helpful. Bring some pegs. I always pack pegs when I go away on these cruises just to hang some clothes out there sometimes. Queen bed setup. Walking along, you have your desk and your phone. There's also, this is where the outlet is, a 220 volt with USB ports there for you. Make sure you have an adapter. There's also a couple of plugs there, or outlets there, I should say. Here's the balcony. There's two chairs and a little table, so you can sit out there on the sea days and while your time away. We're actually in Brisbane Port here. Down we have our TV. Looking down is where our minibar fridge is. Nice, handy, keep some cold drinks in there. Therefore, that is basically the main area of the cabin. Now let's go and just check out the wardrobe again. We can have a look at the storage in there, which is always helpful to know. So you have a safe here, and you can see that there's shelving there as well, and loads of coat hangers. Heaps of coat hangers in this room, but if you don't get enough, you can always ask for more. Okay, well, that's our tour of R714. We hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about balcony cabins? Are they your preference? Thanks for watching our video. Feel free to follow, like, and subscribe as we travel around the world. Cheers.